guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can add more than one video animation on your clip on CapCut browser. So I'm just going to separate like these parts. So I'm just going to split it, and then I'm also going to split it in the middle of these two clips. Then in the first video I'm going to go to animation, and I'm going to select an in animation, for instance the Shake 3 one. And then on the second one I'm going to again go to animation, select the out one, and then I'm going to choose the fade out one. And as you can see, you'll then have more than like one animation on these clips that looks like it's still like in one piece. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!